Hey there, it's me, Lottie, and today what we're gonna do is make a all natural, 99% natural wreath for the upcoming holiday season. Kind of like no matter what you celebrate. I mean, if you like the look of a decorative wreath hanging on your door, inside or outside, this might be something that you want to try doing. So earlier this year, I was clearing a section of the back side yard and had all these vines and branches and things. And of course, I don't throw stuff away right away or compost it. So it was just laying out in a pile outside. And I kept saying, I'm going to do something with this. I'm going to do something with this. And I actually did. I actually did something with it. Okay, so we have a really nice, what I feel is a nice size wreath going on here. Let me see if I can, if I put it down, you can see. It's kind of hard to see on the grass what size it is, but it's a good size. Now I'm going to take some of this twine here and wrap it to kind of hold in some of these, well, just to hold it together. I think as these branches dry, it may hold itself together, but there are a few little wild spaces. You can have it as wild as you want. I'm going to go back and I think tuck these in, just tuck them in wherever they'll go. Oh, I see. You got a little fork in the branch here. So I'm going to wrap the twine to hold these branches together. We'll see. This is cute. I am really pleased. Okay, so the fun part comes from decorating it. Okay, let's see how we're going to decorate this thing. I'm pleased. Now the next thing is going to be, what are we going to decorate it with? And I think some of these textures in nature would be beautiful. Like these echinacea stems would probably be beautiful. So now comes the fun part to decorate the wreath. And I did gather some things from outside. We'll see, like I have horsetail here, which I know this won't stay green, but for now it's green. So I'm gonna try to keep that in mind with the design. I don't have a design in mind. We're just gonna wing it. What else do we have here? We have these, I think are gonna be beautiful. Matter of fact, I wish I had thought about these before for making some arrangements. This is called Phragmites, which is an invasive plant that grows near ponds and streams. But I mean, wouldn't that be beautiful, like in a vase? You know, like a tall vase like they do with this pampas grass. So I have some beautiful Phragmites. Some of this stuff is a little delicate too because it's dried out. I thought this would be beautiful. I don't even know what kind, I don't know the name of this plant, but it's red. Look at that. Isn't that cool? The branches are red. They're always red. I can't remember what the name of it is. I thought that would just be beautiful in our wreath. And I also got, these are little pickery, some greenery from one of our conifers, evergreens, that is. What else do I have here? Oh, I thought these would be pretty. All the things that like get on my nerves during any other time of year. Look at that. Won't that be pretty? This looks delicate too. We'll see. I don't know. This is my first time doing this. We'll see. I got some pine cones. Some lovely pine cones. These are from the white pine. They're a little sappy. Not calling you names. I'm just saying you are sappy. Look at that. Sticky sap. Smells really good though, but I got to get that off. And we have our, oh, my tea kettle is about to, it's time for tea. Let me just take time for tea. So we have our beautiful echinacea seed pods, and we have our lovely rose hips that I snipped the thorns off, most of them. I see a few still on here. Okay. Let me move these out the way so we can get to decorating. Here she is. Isn't she lovely? I am so proud of this little wreath already. I don't care with nothing on it. It still makes me proud. So now what I think I'm gonna do, because I'm trying to be fancy, I think this is the top. It's sort of the most round part. And I'm just gonna do one of those, you know how they just decorate in like the bottom and up the side here. So let's see what we can do. So I guess I'm gonna start. This is kind of prickly. That's all good. We'll figure out how to work it. So what I like about this project is, like, I don't know how it's going to hold up over the years, but I do know that if it decides that it's tired and doesn't want to be my wreath anymore, I can just throw it in the compost. I'm going to keep going with these red branches. I'm feeling them. They are seeming like they really want to be a wreath. Now let's check out this here horsetail, which is really long, but ooh, it's full of water. That's pretty cool. Like I said, these are gonna turn light brown but let's see how they do. I really have no idea what I'm doing. That's the fun part. This is like an extension, you know how I like to make wildflower bouquets out of like what folks would consider weeds. Okay. Now let's try some of these. And I love the idea of, you know, making a seasonal wreath. You know, I'm really all about how am I living within the seasons, you know? Look at how beautiful. This is a very relaxing activity too. Okay, that's got it about more like the same length. All right. That's nice. I think that's a nice bow. We're looking good. This wire to secure it to the wreath. Sorry, I'm blocking your view. I think it turned out really nice. Well, the funny thing is I don't have a hook on my front porch yet, front porch door. So I just have it hanging on my bathroom door for now. But, you know, like I said, I think, let's back up, take a look. Yeah, I think that turned out nice. So that's it for our little craft. I am so geeked. Like I said, this was really spontaneous. I just was outside and decided to just make it just like that. Just like that. And I'm just so geeked. I'm excited. So actually, I found a little place on my mantle. That's a great place for it, above the mantle. And of a Kwanzaa Yule cool altar. Mantle? Kwanzaa cool Yule altar mantle. So anyway, I hope that you're having a wonderful day or night whenever you're watching this. And I will see you in the next video. So until then, take care.